One question for you, Rajiv. How one should develop his or her profile for finance?
Okay, so see certificates and see I'll tell you what I believe, what I went through during these 2 years. They were all free certificates available. Even they're like certificate karo. Our peers, they were doing that certificate, this certificate. I was like, come on, yaar, I'm not doing any of that thing. I don't care. Even there are aptitude for this big fours and all. No? I cracked the aptitude. I'm eligible for the interview as per my percentage. I'll go. I'll tell why I did not get into the certification. I'll tell the valid reason. I'm like, for me, this external 1 to 2 weeks course is useless. I mean, I don't agree with that, extra certificate.
I think mostly ना बच्चा लोग यही करता है, Coursera कर लिया, Udemy कर लिया, free का courses कर लिया,
and they won't remember anything of that name certificate, and even that would put them in the danger. Like, you're not answerable to the certificates, yeah. Why did you do that in the initial stage itself?
Right. Makes a lot of sense, man. Yeah. All right. Now we'll come back to the most important and thrilled part of your interview, man. तेरा इंटरव्यू डायरेक्टर वगैरह के साथ हुआ था KPMG के, राइट? कितनी प्रोसेस थी, कैसे हुआ, क्या क्वेश्चंस आए, how did you tackle?
Okay, so there was first CV shortlisting. After that, aptitude. In now every company go for aptitude because online tha, so most of them are taking it for granted only, the marks and also aptitude plays a lot of role. It's like more interviews nowadays are more like elimination rather than selection.
Yes.
They eliminate at every stage. CV eliminated, aptitude eliminated, and every stage, during the interview process also. So first my process was of technical round. So the guy, 1 hour, he continuously grilled me left and right. He saw that I'm a CA enter, so I might be knowing each and every basic concepts of even cost accounting, financial management, everything. So it was like, I was thinking like, bhai, he's taken a book, he's counting every chapter and picking every question from every chapter. And there was an ending case study question also. So what I believe that is the main question that he had to ask. If I failed that question, he would have rejected me there and there. So it was a beautiful question based on the accounting. A lot of things were going on in the question. Accounting standards were coming in, financial modeling were coming in. So it was a mix of all. So, yeah. So indeed,
what that matters, at the end of the day. That's very true. Yeah, continue.
So the grilling was so intense. Like after that interview, I was like, "Chalo, I don't know, it's too difficult to get to the second round itself." Even I was ready. I changed my clothes and also. So after 10 minutes, HR is calling like, "You have a second round ready for the director. Please be ready within 10 minutes." I was like, "Oh my god!" I told her, "Give me 5 more minutes, yeah. I mean, I have to change again." So I sat with her, and director's round was completely understanding who you are as a person.
Exactly.
It's not like technical. I don't care. You don't what knowledge you have. If you enter the organization, will you work as a good team member, or will you disrupt the team? Will you bring in efficiency? What is your mindset? Will you spiral down the pressure? Big Four gives a lot of pressure in.
They're known for that, man. They're known for that.
Yeah. So how will you handle your pressure? How will you handle your other peers? It's all about understanding your mindset. See, even people say I'm, when they ask about strengths and all, like I'm strong, determined, and all. So, in I suggest that prepare yourself with proper reasoning also. So I portrayed myself as a quick and, curious person to learn. I said that during lockdown, I was really getting, bored. So my brain, I had to run my brain throughout. So I told them I start self-learning piano. I showed them I'm a continuous learner. I try to, like to try new things. So everything should be backed by particular reason. Otherwise, it is nothing.
Exactly. Yeah. There was interview की videos वगैरह follow करे थे क्या free के YouTube पे मेरे?
Yeah.
Same line बोल रहा है. I'm really glad. See guys, understand this. KPMG का director, and Rajiv यहाँ पे है. He did not get scared of that guy. You know that KPMG director is a great, it's a big designation, but he nailed it. And trust me, I think मेरे ख्याल से there are two things that matters a lot at this point in time, Rajiv, for your success. Number one, Vivekananda B School giving you that particular opportunity. Ki bhai,
Right.
just coming on the campus. That's number one. Number two, your attitude and the kind of person you are, your entire personality, दोनों का combination has actually helped you to stand here today, and I'm really happy for you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Being a finance guy, I know a lot of people in Big Four, but I'm like, I do have connection with partners and all that. Honestly, आज के बाद ना, what matters is not the brand, but what matters at the end of the day is your knowledge. तुम कितने practical हो, तुमको कितने concepts पता है, तुमको क्या चीजें आती है, क्या चीजें नहीं आती है. Very simple.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है फाइनेंस का ये खूबी है कि फाइनेंस में एक समय के बाद ना आपका knowledge only matters, बाकी कुछ matter नहीं करता. So I'm glad that you have set an example. Whether you are an inspiration to a lot of kids out there who have not been able to do very well in CAT, ZAT, IFT, CMAT, and all that.
Right.
I would strongly recommend, if you guys have even slightest of the slight chance to get into Vivekananda, you should go for it, because I interviewed Gaurav, the Oman guy.
Yeah.
वो भी भाई 7,000 बच्चों को पीछे छोड़ के top 3 में जाके उसने भी पूरा.
Yeah.
So looks good यार, looks good. But again, at the end of the day, थोड़ा R&D कर लेना.